Hello, fashion friends. Get ready because I have another amazing casual spring fashion Walmart haul for you today with lots of new items. I've got some new scuba knit that's my favorite. And I also want to mention that their shoes are killing it with the styles this year. And I've got lots of new ones in this video as well. I will also have a styling companion video to this through our YouTube membership. So if you're not familiar with that, I will leave you the info in the description along with all of the links for the items in the video. So thanks so much for watching, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. So I love a layered look that's not real layers like this sweater. So this is the ruffle neck cardigan sweater by Free Assembly, and it just has the attached ruffle collar here that I think is so adorable. And I've just buttoned it up and worn it as a top, and I love this yellow. I thought it was going to be like a really light yellow, but it's more of a neon yellow, and it's so cool. So I thought this was great. It also has a 3/4 length sleeve that's perfect, and it pulls up really nice. So great little sweater to have for the springtime. And the jeans I put on with it are the high-rise Time and True cuff jeans in a straight leg. And y'all, these are nice high-rise. They're right to my belly button. They have a little bit of stretch to them, and they're actually kind of loose and relaxed. And I love the cuff. It's in the perfect spot on me. This is, I think, a 26.5-inch inseam. And I think the pocket placement is cute. And I just think Time and True is killing it with their jeans this year. They've done a great job. If you didn't see my other haul with the Time and True jeans in them, I will link them and you can take a look at those. But these are great, and I just got them and they fit nice and are true to size. And their shoes also this year, this is their buckle loafer, which they have added new colors in because this has been a bestseller and it fits so nice. It's just a suede loafer that looks very, very high end. It looks like a Sam Edelman that you could get that's $150. Believe me, I have some, but these are nice and cushy and very flexible and so comfortable. And I have them in, I think, 3 colors now. So they're in this new sand, which I think is perfect for this springtime. So this jacket is the Scoop neoprene fleece jacket that I thought was perfect for those cold days because I love the color. It looks springy, but it's really warm, and it has this great little hood that you can put on and keep yourself warm when it's cold outside because we are going to have those cold spring days. But I think it's so cute with the oversized fit, and it's kind of loungy, so I thought it was perfect. And it also comes in black. And I have it over this really cool jumpsuit, which is the Scoop Scuba Knit jumpsuit this year. And this one has a cute little cap sleeve, and they kind of bring one out every year. And this is a little bit different. It's got a zipper, and then of course the fold over collar, or you could wear it up. And then the elastic waist here, perfect pockets, and a nice jogger style leg that is pretty long. So if you're tall, this is going to work better for you. But it has the thicker cuff at the bottom too that is not the elastic scrunchie. It's that really nice sleek cuff, and I love the look of that, and it actually feels better too. So this is awesome, and it also comes in black, but I loved the mushroom color. I thought it was a lot of fun. And the shoes are the Scoop little Mary Jane sneakers. So these are like a ballet sneaker. They're in white, tan, and black, and I just thought they had such a cool look to them. I even like the elastic strap over the foot, and they're nice and cushiony and flexible and really comfortable. And this is a little bit wide on my foot because I am slightly narrow. Just know that if you're a regular foot, maybe even a little wide, these might work for you. And I think they're great for this spring season. So this is the Scoop Scuba Knit Moto dress, and you can see the Moto collar here and the zipper, which I love, and it also has a nice pouch pocket in the front as opposed to putting pockets on the side of the hips, which can add bulk, so that made me happy. And it also has a knee length, and it's a relaxed fit, so this is an easy dress to throw on and wear daily, kind of as your loungewear. I mean, scuba knit is a little more loungy, but it looks nice enough that you can wear this out and be just casual in it. And you could put a long sleeve t-shirt on underneath it or a jacket, and you can even throw tights on, I think. But I styled this for spring, and so I decided to do this Scoop little Mary Jane sneakers that are part of that ballet sneaker trend, and I think this is a very cute look. It's very on trend and easy to wear. I just get more and more excited for this scuba knit. So this is the Scoop Scuba Knit little button vest. And y'all, this is so cute. And the pockets are functional. And I love that it has the elastic waist here. So you get a little bit of a loose kind of bubble fit. And it's just fantastic, and it looks very high end. It looks like Free People or Farley, and I love this blue, but it does come in a couple of other colors. And I put a long sleeve t-shirt underneath it, which is the Time and True Slub tee. And y'all, this is so incredibly soft. You need to get this if you need a good layering tee. And then I think it comes in other colors, but it is really, really soft and wonderful. And the pants, I shared these in my last haul, but I'm going to share them again because they match the vest. And this is just the Scuba Knit cropped pant that has pin tucking down the front and kind of a flat front, and it looks more like a trouser pant, and there's pockets, and there's no pockets on the back, so it's just plain. But this is just easy to pull on, and I think this comes in 6 colors, and I need to get other colors because I love the crop fit of this. It's the perfect length for me, being 5'4", and I paired this outfit with some cognac color sneakers by Time and True, which this color is really good with a lot of the blues and pinks this season. And we're seeing a lot of shoes that we would not normally see in this cognac color. And I love these sneakers. They come in loads of colors and they have a good retro feel to them and look to them. And they're really comfortable. So Time and True did a great job on those as well. I thought this tie neck mini dress by Scoop was such a great spring dress, and it's very feminine with the tie, which I just looped over itself. And it also has a long sleeve with a little bit of a puff sleeve here. So it's hard to find long sleeve dresses. So if you need one for the spring for a wedding or something, this is perfect. It's also flattering because it cinches in the waist. It has perfect pockets and a tiered skirt that is fully lined. So this is a great little dress. I love the colors. I like the modern floral, and it's really comfortable and easy to wear. And I think you could dress it up or down. So just that little perfect spring dress. And I decided to style it with my No Boundaries corset flats. So y'all look at these. They're so cute with all of these straps. And they just wrap around the ankle and tie them in the back. And they're just so cute. And they feel really comfortable. They kind of fit my foot like a glove. So they feel really, really good. And I think these are amazing. We'll go with lots of things. And they also come in black. I am blown away by these pieces. I don't know how Walmart does this, but look at this Time and True pointail sweater. All the detail and the pointail knit, and then the really soft feel, and it has a great relaxed fit, and it's just that perfect little spring sweater. And I think this color is gorgeous. It might not be my best color, but it will look good on someone. And it does come in a couple of other colors, but this pink is really popular this year. And I have it on with some of the best pants by Time and True. These are the patch pocket Ponte wide leg pants. They are a cropped length and have a nice high rise. And you can see the patch pocket here. I'll put my hand in it. And they also have the patch pockets on the back. But y'all, this Ponte knit is so nice. It's a little bit lighter weight, so it's great for spring, and it's really stretchy. And these look like something, both of these pieces look like something you would buy at Anthropologie. And these also come in other colors, and I think you can dress them up, make them professional, dress them down. And I decided to just style this outfit with these buckle loafers by Time and True, and this is in the black, and I think the black is nice and rich and looks very expensive. And these are some of the most comfortable loafers I own, and this is the issue for spring, so you may want to consider a pair if you have not yet. This is the Free Assembly cropped embroidered sweatshirt, and I thought it was so cute with the little embroidered daisies on it. It's also a very lightweight terry material, so it's perfect for springtime. And I also love the hoodie on the back because it makes it a little bit more sporty. And this one you can get some matching bottoms, and I chose the shorts. So these are the pull-on elastic waist shorts with the embroidery on them. They have great pockets, and I think they're a good length, and they're really, really comfortable and lightweight. I think I would live in this all spring and summer long. And so I'd wear it around the house. I think you could get this if you're going on vacation and you're going to the beach. I think this would be a perfect item for that. There's also a crop pant that goes with this that you can get. So I will link that too if you're interested. And the shoes are my favorite shoes so far this season because they're yellow. It's like a butter yellow. And these are by Free Assembly, and they're just woven flats. And the top strap is totally adjustable, which I had to adjust it fully because I'm a little bit narrow. But these are great. They're nice and flexible and have cushion. And they're by Free Assembly, if I didn't say that, not Time and True. So Free Assembly does some really good shoes, and they're getting better at them. And these are wonderful. And I was very, very surprised at how much I loved them. This Free Assembly parachute jacket is the perfect spring layering piece, and my favorite part about it is that it has a cinched waist, so it looks really good zipped up or it looks really good left open, and it kind of creates a little bit of a peplum hem all the way around. So I thought the detail of that was really nice on this jacket, and it's very well made. It's soft and has lining and is really lightweight for spring, and it also comes in navy. And the top I have on is the free assembly flutter sleeve Henley, so it buttons halfway up in these little gold buttons that are so cute. And I chose the navy with the white stripe, but I think this does come in some solid colors. And there is slits on the side to make it a little bit more relaxed. And I think it fits nice. It's a little fitted, a little relaxed. So one of those tops that I think is really fun to wear. And the jeans I have on are the high rise wide leg jeans by Time and True in the dark wash. And these are so amazing, y'all. For the price, I think this is probably the best pair of wide leg jeans I have put on in probably the last year. And so, especially for the price, they feel nice, are a nice weight, and they're a perfect length on me. I'm 5'4", so usually a 31 inch inseam works for me. And the shoes, I had to share these because these are the Time and True little low top sneakers that are retro. They have a retro feel to them, and these are in the blush, but to me they look a little bit more brown. So I have put them next to pink. You can see them next to my rug, and they have a tint of maybe taupe, but they're definitely not blush, but I do really like them, and they are satin, which is very much a big trend for spring. So that might make people want them a little bit more if they're not pink, because they will go with a lot of different things. So this bomber jacket by Scoop is in a really nice lightweight denim, and it has a little bit of a sporty feel because it has the ties here that make it really casual, and then it has a kind of elasticized waistband that you can use the little ties to tighten, and you could make it a little shorter and just have some fun with this one. And it is a great little layering piece for spring, and I thought it was really cute layered over a dress. And so I layered it over this midi dress by Scoop again, and it's called the Basque midi dress because it has this drop waist that then has this gathering here that creates kind of a U shape in the dress and actually makes it very comfortable. And the tank style makes it easy to wear with a regular bra. And this is a very nice, stretchy, soft material, and it feels really casual. So I wanted to style it casually with a little denim jacket over it, and I just thought this was a lot of fun. And of course, it has perfect pockets. You can see me playing with the pockets. But the shoes I chose with this are really casual too, which are the Scoop little ballet sneakers, which I am so in love with. And I think this is a fun style to wear with a lot of dresses in the spring. And this is going to be the it shoe that you're going to see over and over again with lots of different outfits. So if you want some more spring content from Walmart, I will link my playlist here for you so you can click it and it'll take you straight to it. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.